Good debt. How to use it wisely. Not all debt is bad. In fact, good debt can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. But how do you use it wisely? Let's break it down. Good debt includes things like home loans, student loans, and business loans. These types of debt can increase your net worth or earning potential over time. A home loan allows you to own property that gains value over time. A student loan helps you earn a degree, increasing your income potential. A business loan can fund a venture that generates long-term profit. The key? Making sure that debt works in your favor. Good debt only stays good if managed correctly. Keep your debt-to-income ratio in check, make timely payments, and don't borrow more than you can afford. Want to use debt to build your financial future? Rich Ideas can help. Reach out to us today at hello@richideas.co.za.